start, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to click that notification bell. Today, I'm doing an unboxing surprise series. And I don't know what I'm gonna unbox. I'm so excited. Oh, hold on, guys. I didn't want these, but I guess I have it now. I'm actually so excited. I was just kidding. And I can't believe I have this too. Oh, my baby, no. Oh, you're my baby. What? So it's time for opening. And shout out to my friend Kaya. And thank you for this JoJo bow. Now let's start opening. Okay, guys. I think I need my scissors. Why my scissors are hiding? No, I think I have to twist it. Yeah. It won't twist. Even say something. I really blush. Talk to me and pet me. Okay, now let's open yours. I got the one who says, talk to me. Guys, it just popped out of nowhere. Come on, get out. Pretend that didn't happen. There's Bellamy. You're my baby now. Rock-a-bye. Guys, look at her. She's the one who's saying, talk to me and love her ears. I wish I could kiss, but yeah. Plastic, I can't. What if guys, I'm just gonna, guys, if you're Chinese or Japanese, whatever, this is her and I love her. And yeah. Now let's move on to the surprises. That's it. Now let's open these. Which one should I pick? I don't know which one's the microphone. I think this one's the microphone. I'm gonna see if it is. It's the microphone. Guys, let's try it. Hold up, she's not on. Let's try it. Oh! Guys, did you see that? That's so cute. Okay, now let's put this right here. It's gonna happen. First thing we're gonna sit off. I think this one is the food. Guys, French fries. That's so cute. They come with. Okay, let's try it. Okay. Oh yeah, it's not on. That was cute. Now I got two things. So I have a microphone and French fries. Guys, this is a microphone because you see there's no kind of black ice cream. Now let's open the bottle. I know this is the bottle. Okay. It's so cute. Hold up, pink and gold are actually almost matching, but blue and pink are kind of matching too. Guys, let's try. Come on, drink this. I think this is gonna be my pretend baby. Okay? And hold on, what? Oh, I think she can hold this. Let me see if she can hold this. Almost. We can pretend. You wanna see her again? Oh yeah. We can. I love it. Thank you, Mom and Dad, for getting me this. I love it, and I love you too, guys. And I love my mom and dad and my sister. Guys, anyways, there's 4 surprises. So 4, because I said 4 because this is a surprise. It was hiding in the box, and these and this is a microphone and favorite and a bottle of Coke. Anyways, guys, Cookies will see. You guys know her, right? Yeah. I'm just gonna watch her when I'm done, so I can see how they play it. Okay, guys, time to play. Anyways, the bush. Look. No, let's show her this one. It's kind of big. It's kind of the same size, but if you put it down, still. And guys, look how small it is. See, that's small, and this is smaller. This is my surprise for today, and I hope you like it. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to click that notification bell down below, right down the videos. Bye guys, bye. And I hope you have a great day. Bye guys, bye. write a comment if it's cute. And follow me on TikTok. My name on TikTok is Good Luck Ezra. Okay, bye guys. Bye.